Hi, I'm Lizzie. I work at the Monroe County Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make coffee filter butterflies. So what you need for this are white basket coffee filters, washable markers. They need to be washable, otherwise the colors won't blend. And then something to drop water onto the coffee filters with. So I'm using a straw and a little thing of water. If you have a water dropper, you can use that too. And then something to hold your butterfly together. So I'm going to be using a pipe cleaner. You could also use a clothespin. There are lots of options for that. So what you're going to do is take your coffee filter and draw and color in any way you want with any colors and any patterns. So this is one that I've already done, and all of the colors are going to blend together. But if you use more water, you will see less of the pattern and less of the color in the final product. And if you use less, more of it will be preserved. So once you've colored on your coffee filter, you're going to want to put it on something underneath it that will absorb water. And this is the fun part. Oh, I already dropped water on it. You're going to drop water on it. Try to cover the whole coffee filter. And as you do it, you can see that the colors will start to blend together. And if you have a really helpful cat, he will also be interested in the water. So I am going to keep dropping water on this until it's all covered. And then I'm just going to let it dry. So it'll probably take a few hours to dry. I'm going to show you how to assemble. Okay, so we've removed the cat helper because I want you guys to be able to see what we're doing. I dropped water all over the coffee filter and the colors are starting to blend. And they're actually going to continue to mix and blend a little bit as it dries. So I'm going to set it aside for a few hours, and I'm just going to show you how to assemble a butterfly, or maybe you can make other bugs, dragonflies. So you're going to take your coffee filter, which will be really a bunch of pretty colors, not like this white one, and do an accordion fold. So you're going to fold it back and forth like this. And if you make bigger accordions, you're going to have fewer ridges on your butterfly wings, and if you make smaller ones, you'll have more, so that will affect the final one. So you're going to do this twice, and I will do another one, which is the plain white coffee filter. So I have my accordion folded coffee filters, and I'm going to stack them on top of each other. These are going to be the butterfly wings. So I think it's easiest to just sort of pinch them in the middle, and then you can spread the wings a little bit. And I'm going to hold mine together with a pipe cleaner. And you can also play around with figuring out what other features you can add to your butterfly. So I'm going to try to give it some antenna. There we go. Okay. So there is an assembled butterfly. Here is one that is actually colorful. And I hope that you guys try this and that you have a lot of fun with the different colors and watching them melt together with the water. And we would love to see what you make.